Good afternoon and welcome to Arboleas on this absolutely gorgeous June afternoon. I've come up to do something that's a little bit unusual in a very good way and very rare to the market. The stunning Cortijo Encantador. Now, there are some wonderful old Cortijos within Arboleas, but they're not too common to come onto the market, especially ones that have been refurbished to this standard. So very pleased to be able to kind of put this out there. It's a fantastic, you know, not everyone wants a 3-4 bedroom villa. They don't provide enough space, they haven't got the character, lots of different reasons. So these Cortijos fill in the kind of that gap in the market, really. This is what I live in, a very old house that's been totally remodeled and refurbished, full electric, water, internet, of course. And just look at that aspect now. It's located in a little village called Los Cojos, which is, you've got the Arboleas institution of Cathy's bar actually in this village, and then another pretty one, Bar Colorados, literally a 2-minute drive, and you're 6 minutes drive from Arboleas centre. You've got adequate on-road parking outside the Cortijo. Love these character front entrances. So that's the main front door, which we'll pop through in a second. It's got some lovely outside space as well, which we'll see during the course of the video. So let's take a wander indoors. So in through into a wonderful central hallway now. First thing to point out with these old character houses, you know, it's absolutely blistering and cooking out there. And these, they have a lot thicker walls than the villas and everything else. So I've just come in, it's beautiful, it's cool, it's shaded. And that's what you're looking for in terms of living space. So big double archway there in front of me, which kind of goes into a large dining room. Now, another good thing about these properties is they're so versatile. I mean, you know, it's on paper as a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom property, but this could easily be 6 bedrooms. It's down to owners to decide really what they want to use the space that's available for. So as you've seen, came into this lovely hallway, door on the left, double door on the right as well. Usually these would be bedrooms. But on this one, look, you can see off to the right here, gorgeous, great big dining room. Got the character beam ceilings, been refurbished up to a lovely standard. You know, it's kept all the character features, but you've got all the kind of space and mod cons for modern living as well. This carries on through, and you've got the first bedroom here. Now, it's only a small guest room. But has double door access straight out to a wonderful covered terrace, which we'll see in a bit more detail later on. I think you could see from the outside, you know, this is a very, very large property. Over 250 metres of living space. And this gives you some idea of the expanse from the interior. So back to the hallway and off to the left. Another set of double doors. Now this takes you into the main living room on this floor. Very good sized room. Now looking at this as I am today, you know, it doesn't give you really any indication into the blood, sweat and tears that has gone to get it looking like this. These would have often been mud floors. The ceilings would have been very low. So to get them up to this standard is a heck of a lot of work, but don't worry with this one, it's all been done for you. Wonderful tile scheme running throughout. All the ceilings are elevated. And now through this arch, and you can see double doors in front of me there go out to a fantastic courtyard garden. There's more door access out there, which we'll see in a second. Very good dining area come office, and you can see big open fire in here. And then door access there out to the kitchen, so it makes sense to have this kind of dining area here. Now stairs taking you up to the upper level. And then the main family bathroom just here off to the right. I'm standing now with the kitchen immediately behind me. have to say, love this room. You know, you just get so much more space in these properties than you do in the average size villa. I mean, the kitchen alone, you know, this is 2.5 times the size of an average villa kitchen. And what a great room. You know, further door access here, it goes out to a lovely little kind of open terrace, then up to another little terrace area, and then on round to the interior courtyard. Before we go out to those though, what I'll do is I'll take a look at the bathroom here for you, and then we'll go out and do the outside space on this level. So this is an understair bathroom, but very good sized bathroom. Great shower tucked away there in the corner. And then upstairs you've got 2 further bathrooms as well, so we'll look at those when we're up there. Let's go and take a look at the garden space, and it's magic. It's often a disadvantage with these big houses, character houses. They are big houses, but very limited outside space. This hasn't got the hugest plot, but you'll see in a minute it's been laid out. You've got ample space for entertaining, enjoying the outside life. So just outside the kitchen door, you've got this lovely little kind of open terrace. Door there goes into a nice storage room. Back there into the kitchen, and then this lovely dining terrace which is outside in the sun. But look, you can easily have a covered roof onto this. That's a bit blowy now, but I've got the mic on, so it should be okay. And then the tiling continues round. This beautiful almond grove is just being tended as we speak. The guy's here with a rotavator. I've got him to stop for a second when I do the filming, but there's no need to put a boundary wall up here. And you can see this is the wall that encloses the courtyard, making it very private, but they've decided to keep this open just to enjoy the spectacular views. And then you've got a little kind of bandstand terrace up here, which is what I love. You know, you've got the choice of being totally out in the open, beautiful sunbathing terraces, or nice shaded areas as well. I'm going to have a look at them now. Sorry, you're going to get a little bit of gravel crunching now, because you can see here, but this beautiful bougainvillea arch being cut out and takes you in through this solid wood door into this absolutely gorgeous and very private courtyard. You can see door access there going back into the central dining room, and then all the way up to the end where you've got a built-in barbecue area, and off to the right you can just see 2 twin arches, and they take you into a gorgeous shaded entertaining spot. And sitting just above this, you've got a very, very nice sized roof terrace, and as you can imagine, the views from up there are absolutely gorgeous. Just coming into this, I mean, this is where the kind of owners spend most of their time out in the evening. Or, I mean, it's still light now at kind of 9 o'clock and fairly warm, so just a lovely, lovely shaded spot. That was the door access you saw earlier into the little guest bedroom on the lower floor. The compulsory kind of beer and wine fridge out here. And just off of the barbecue area, so great space to come out and have an evening meal. So just pop back inside now via these doors. We'll take a wander up to the upper floor, and don't worry, no need to duck, because all the ceilings and everything have been heightened, so it's not the usual narrow staircases that you get prior to refurb. You don't have to bend down when you're upstairs either. So just up the stairs, the door you see there to the right takes you into the second bedroom, a very good sized bedroom used for twin beds at the moment. Door on the left takes you out onto the roof terrace, and the door you see immediately in front is a Jack and Jill door to one of the ensuite bathrooms. So bedroom 2, beautiful quality wood flooring put in up here. a generous bank of fitted wardrobes running along the entire left-hand side, and a window out overlooking the wonderful almond groves. As I mentioned earlier, you know, all the ceilings have been vaulted, so no need to duck down, no matter how tall you are. Chappie must have seen me go inside, so he's now started back on the rotavator again, but I'll save the roof terrace till last. So after that's the second bedroom. Next door access on the right takes you through to this, the master suite, I suppose. And you know, we put on the details, this place could lend itself to a perfect kind of guest house, Airbnb, because this is almost like a little self-contained wing. So you've got a wonderful second sitting room here, and then that leads off to an absolutely enormous bedroom with a good size ensuite. Oh, it's just so wonderful and cool here, and we've opened up the window so there's just an absolutely gorgeous breeze flowing through, which is perfect at this hot time of year. You have got ceiling fans, you saw there, and then very good size, again the solid wood floorings running through here, and very good size ensuite bathroom, walk-in shower, and basin WC. I'm just avoiding filming myself in the mirror. Look at the kind of second sitting room from this angle. So as you can see, you know, you've got guests over. This is absolutely perfect for them. Or if you want to put yourself in here and you've got total privacy, you know. So that was bedroom 3, with the added bonus of a second sitting room. And then bedroom 4 now, another absolutely huge double. Double doors going out onto the roof terrace. You can see there the third bathroom. A quick peek in there, but this is a Jack and Jill, so there's one door into the bedroom and one door out into the hallway. And finally, let's go and take a look at the roof terrace. Beautiful this of an evening. Very, very good sized terrace. You can see you've got a nice dining area out here as well if you want to. Perfect for coming out, watching the starry skies. As I say, sorry, Mr. Rotavator's back out, but you can see just absolutely magical views from here. So you've got the private courtyard down below you, the entertaining area, and then this lovely roof terrace sitting on the top. So there you have it, Cortijo Encantador. Really lovely alternative to a standard villa. You know, you can come and live in a real character home in Arboleas. They're just not very often to come onto the market, certainly not to this standard. Full details are in the link below. And if you'd like to arrange a viewing, usual channels, kalidahomes@hotmail.com, +34 950 430 763. Hope you enjoy this one and give it some consideration.